Of course, you didn't know this question of dollar. Someone asked the customer that here is the price of your items. Now in this column you have to convert these normal prices into the dollar. So how did you do that? Press is equal to, with the help of formula we're gonna do this. Press is equal to and write dollar, press tab button. Now select your value and then hit enter. Now you'll see this is converted into the dollar format. Now click here for all. Now the next formulas are over here. The first formula is number, is text, is blank. These three formulas are here today we're gonna learn. These are also very powerful, but you didn't know about this. So the first formula is number. Number means the same which will select that is number or not. If that will be number, will get the answers true, otherwise that will be the false. Now is number, press the button and then select the cell, hit enter. Now it is the false. Why? Because there is the yes, it is the alphabet, that's why it is the false. So if I drag it down, now you'll see it is true because this is number. Now is text the formula. This is equal to and then is text. Press the button, now select the cell again, hit enter. Now it's true. Why? Because it is the text. Now you are getting the formulas. These three formulas are very familiar to each one. If one formula you understood, it means all formulas you are coded. Now click on this. Now here is the false, here is the false because here is the memory and here is the blank. But what if there is the blank? So use the blank formula. Is equal to and that is blank. It's blank formula, press the button, then again value and then hit enter. Now it is false because there is the quadratic cell and then here is the true. Because here is the blank cell. Wherever will be the blank cell, you will see that it will be the true. Okay, so like this way you can use these formulas where you are. Then our next formulas are here which you will understand in the next video. Oh, hello guys, so these are the formulas which you are gonna learn right now. These are very powerful. I know you didn't know about these formulas before. I'm gonna tell you. The formula is, or the question is, someone asked that you have to know which is the second biggest cell in this. So this is equal to and then write large formula. This helps you to know the large values from your K, means large array is this. Okay, and then press comma. K means which number of large or biggest value you want to know. For example, we want to know the second biggest value. Write and then hit enter. You will see 5500 is the second biggest value. Because this is the first and this is the second. Again, I am doing this formula again. Then write the large formula, button, and then again select your values and then comma. Again, I want to know the fourth biggest value. Write 4 and then hit enter. You'll see that this is the biggest value over here and there. But why? Because this is the first value, this is the second value, this is the third value, and this is the fourth value. Like this way, if we want to know the smallest value or the smallest value which we want to know on the condition. So again with the small formula, table again give the array, okay, and then comma after that k. K means the same as we did before. We want to know the second biggest value, so the smallest value. Second smallest value is 28000. Here is that. Here is this. Largest to smallest value column. That's why it is easy to find the second and smallest value. What if I want to know the fourth? Get the F2 for the formula. Wherever you want to use the formula, press F2 key and then fourth and then hit enter. Now you will see the third, fourth, here is the fourth value which you get. So easily you can use these formulas where you want. So I want to tell you that this was the playlist or series of formulas, and you are learning formulas in this series. Only formulas terminals of MS Excel from basic to advanced. If you want to know more, click on the profile or go to the playlist and then watch the videos or formulas, because learning is the best way to achieve the goals in your career. So thank you to all of you for watching the video and subscribe the channel for more informative videos.